An episode I call Adult Pampas. So Jamaica, Wagwan, big up on yourself. Yo, this old drama, ya virgin, this crap drama, ya gone too far, virgin. Now Jamaica, big up on yourself. Worldwide, big up on yourself. So this is what we are saying right now. Smash it like and join the family. So what I go on now is we are gonna need to walk around and give out some pampas. Cause some people just can't hold it, brother. This is a perfect example of when you have to hold it. Loose bowel, stay warm. You see it? Yeah, man. People, as well, I say big up on yourself, you know. Right now, we have some hilarious things right there to deal with right now, cause we're legendary. Actually, cause this virgin, I will take this thing to heart in a virgin. You see it? The King Beenie, man. That deep. People, you don't know, say a baiting ninja kid go on with and linking up with foot hype. Jesus. People, you're not ready for that one. A punchings, kickings, basic now go on. Drama. So Jamaica subscribe, you know? Yeah. People. No, that's actually hilarious. Because you don't know, see a painting ninja kid go on with. You see it? Most dramatic artists. Big up Ninja Kid. And big up the King Beenie, man. Yeah, man. So, when you see say, I little get out of hand, I know nothing new in a dancehall. That's why I never understand why this whole vomiting and crying over general beating. Yeah, man. So, we see all Vegas forward out and I go crazy about the crab thing. Cause Vegas, I say, the main reason why this meme from Jamaica is saying, you're full of shit like crab, is basically saying, you are what you eat. So, yeah, tell me, say no, crab not delicious no more. So, people, we're not gonna stop cooking and consuming the crab with the coconut milk and the curry and thing. You are going to know. That circle, turn in a circle of poop, because you are going to know. Nobody not going to trust the circle no more. Them vendor, they have to go relocate. One in a different parish, where nobody don't know them, are the only way. You ever hear say, it good have to suffer for you, but perfect example. You can't sleep well knowing, say, you did a buy your crab there, so. Well, either way, you don't want to go over there go get no crab. You don't want to go over there go get no crab low, so you don't want to shitty crab. But brother, when you pay for your get, you go Vegas still, hilarious. Vegas say, you know, say at the same bucket. And last episode, me I say, yo, please don't make it be the same bucket. Vegas say at the same bucket in a family. So I walk on. So Jamaica, and I have to brace on myself for that one. I will never did ready feed. Because them things are not normal. So here we are going to know people. We see which part Black Rhino still need a hit song. And the people them still not give Black Rhino a break in the business. We don't know where I go on. This is like the perfect example of being blackballed. But blackballed by who? Is it the studio them or the producer them? Because right now, an artist not necessarily need to be signed. Per se, if you're dropping music, if you're serious and want consistently do your thing. Plus you have a name what people know. People, if you say Rhino lazy, or in just bad luck. Big up Rhino too, you know. Because we want to see artists do him thing, you see me? And as what them say right now, it's like the whole of the new generation of artists them have a similarity to Rhino. So obviously Rhino presents necessary in a dancehall. You see it? That's just the truth that. Also, we have to speak about cargo right now too. Cargo always a bonfire upon people, but cargo right now we need a hit song from you. Real talk. And we also need to see Ayakti drop a hit song. Enough artists now on a hit song right now still. People are going in a dancer. You know what they say? That's why them so disgruntled at the young artists them. Because most of the artists them were seasonal artists. We're international artists. Not really a pushy fire like that. I don't know if them just get rich and relax. But enough names were just not. The only time you see them, brother, are when them forward on the internet and I rebel about something where a new artist do. Them not like this, them not like that. But if you're not do nothing, why point? Yeah, if you do something, do something. Action speak louder than word. So instead of on a bash you with them, just forward out and do something and show the youth them. But if you say that way, then we catch you on quicker than if you just tell a man a thing and he just fly through the next years. But when him literally I see what you tell him, he will more connect with them and youth. Yeah. You see it? Yeah, man. So Jamaica, right now, Bounty Killer now, big up the general. But we have to keep it 100. Matter of fact, 1 billion over this. Now people, I saw Jamaica alone, I see what I go on, are people just bias and appear yes man. Now, listen to this now. Most of us grew up, I watch Bounty Killer as one of the greatest gladiator in a dancehall history. See? Now watch this. All of a sudden, Mr. Killer switch him image. And you have to remember this. When people accept you for a certain thing, and that thing they I bring you through that image there. Or whatever that one thing there is, I could have been just your talent. Whatever the case is, you have to stick to that and nurture that. Killer switch up him image. Fans them switch to. Or Big Bounty Killer for drop album and sell 100 copy. With a name like Bounty Killer, I will not have promotion. That not supposed to happen. You understand? Twins of twins, it said long time, say, we good killer in a party, a blow fifi. And come like, say, boy, it a come to light, it a come to pass. And see what I go on now. I disrespect that. I big disrespect that. If it's a big killer, I sell 100 copy. I still not believe. I still think say me I get prank. I'm going to tell you the two reasons why me feel say that happened. No. Jamaican people don't like to get lied to. You see me? We don't like to feel cheated. No. For years, many Jamaicans, many young Jamaicans grew up. I hear this. You go as far as called baby sham, lady sham. All kind of thing. Remember that was the killer in a black, dark. Now we see this new killer. Be a short set, smiley face, happy killer. A more fun killer. We're not used to that fun killer there. The audience used to the dark killer and them darkers and yo, you know a bounty killer thing already. At that people like the aggression with bounty killer character. People are used to this a new character, a bounty killer. I mean, them say people if you change with time, but him really a change with time. If he yes man them around your brother. Tell them say you need to get back to your real you, virgin. You see me? And the album now with the item. See? It's a good project. Good effort at dancehall. But in a dancehall right now. Right now. See? You see the thing is, let me explain something to you now. As time goes by, sound change. And you know have this whole thing in your brain, you know say, you want to bring back 90s dancehall. 90s dancehall cannot come back. It gone. You have to allow history to be history and make it stay away there. That's the only way to go stay great. Because you can't remake the history where you make already. You have to tear down your legacy, virgin. Because when me see the man them on stage, and don't get it wrong, you know, them a do them thing, you know. But comparing to when Baby Sham and Bounty Killer a shot, them a struggle answer. This was like the people them not accept say them are friends that are one. People them never want to see them together again. That are two. Few, that are few. And next thing, the image virgin. Nobody no used to physically killer out on stage in a shot, say that dance and this fun killer. A killer clothes show in a virgin. Remember a bounty killer clothes show them in a family. A poor people governor that, you know, warlord in a virgin. Warlord not supposed to be on stage and laugh with people, virgin, in a short set like a beach party, a pool party thing. No, brother. You see, elephant man, if you go give general a call and tell the general, say, look, image is everything, you know. Don't change your image, king. You see it? Because I guarantee you, if killer never change him image, he wouldn't sell 100 copy. I'm a red killer. And that's the only thing you me can see what happened. Me I say come like the people them a shift from killer killer change him character. You know? From the done change him image. me really realize say yo, the thing not really, you see me? Cause Killer one of the most talented artists from Jamaica when it come to delivery, performance. You see me? A Killer thing that so it's impossible for Killer sell 100 copy. I the image him change, Virgin. Remember me tell you say, and so Jamaica say, a true Killer change him image. People them not really used to that image. You see me? Yeah man, Killer, you have to get back dark, brother. We need to see you dark again, Virgin. Put on back the dark glass. You know? Put on back the dark glass. Yeah man, that Killer there. Killer the dark glass. And the full suit of black. Yeah man, I hit that bounty killer. The bounty killer what we know. But when Killer walk out on stage, good morning! So Jamaica, burn up the comment section and drop on the honest feedback. I want to know say we are keep it a billion over here so cause we say we want to see the country up out of so many people, you know what I mean? We have this great nation and we have the channel that make it build it. You see it out of so many. We have that one here. And we are say we are going number one. Right now people the goal is to hit 1 million subscribers bigger than 100,000. See it, we're up on the road. Yeah.